This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Diana Germain. Come see this meticulous-kept one-owner, all-brick home on a huge, landscape corner lot. 4-bed, 2.5-bath is in a sought-after established neighborhood in North Suffolk. Roof replaced 2 years, appliances and HVAC upgraded, water heater replaced 2 months, mudroom and laundry with utility sink, a formal living room, formal dining room, large bedrooms, eat-in kitchen with views from the bay window, French doors leading to primary bedroom west/huge walk-in closet and an exterior door leading to the backyard deck. The neighborhood has a dog park, playgrounds, fishing pier, floating dock, cookout shelter for family fun. Also enjoy a large public park and golf course on Sleepy Hole Road. Bennetts Creek Park is nearby with boat slips and seasonal entertainment. Near all beaches, fine dining, entertainment, busch gardens, military bases, Williamsburg and Jamestown, and the best outlets for shopping. Old Dominion University, William and Mary, and Christopher Newport University, to name a few colleges. For more information, review the details below.